Folks, this is not just another GTO. This is an excellent example of the 1967 Pontiac GTO 400HO. It's got the high output motor. It's a 4-speed, has the 355 safety track rear end, rally gauges, rally wheels, power steering, power disc brakes, all documented. Pontiac Historical documented. How you see the car is how the car was born. Silverglaze paint, and it is numbers matching. We'll get more into that in a moment, but the motor, the heads, the trans, the rear end are all correct. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this GTO. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I wore the right shirt today for this video. Yeah, silver glazed paint. It's really pretty outside. It does have metal flake in it, so it's not just flat gray like the newer cars, some of them are. It is a metal flake paint with a very glossy finish. This is absolutely straight, fits square, beautiful, has a GTO scooped hood, big, long panels, looking sharp, straight, fits real nice. I don't see any problems or issues. Lines up beautifully. I put the windows up on purpose. You can see how nice it all fits and shuts. Big, long quarter panels, all straight. A couple little marks. I think they'll rub off. I think they will. All this looks really nice, straight, clean. Here's a little chip right here on the edge. This is all real nice. This is called the Coke bottle design. It kind of looks like a Coke bottle to here. Quarter panel, doors, just like the other side, real nice. Here's another little chip right here on the edge. Shuts real nicely. A little chip in the paint right down there. This is all real nice, and it does look like something dented it from underneath. They must have closed the hood on something. It just left a little tiny dent. There's a little hairline crack. Looks like a little eyelash laying there. But overall, this is slick, this is polished, this is straight, this is a really clean body. I like the 67, the wire mesh grille, all looking good. This here looks to be original, so it's got a little patina. The bumper's all re-chromed, the lights, the bezels, all that is beautiful. The arrowhead emblem looks new. Windshield's crystal clear. The moldings are like an 8 out of 10. They're exceptionally nice. The mirror looks new. Vent window frame looks to be really nice, original. All this trim looks very good. Vinyl top's in excellent shape. The big wide rocker moldings have been straightened and polished. I like that emblem. Power rear antenna. I love this. It just looks cool. It's slanted, more so than one that's straight up and down on the fender. It works. I just tried it. So now we're coming around. You got the GTO emblems looking good. The bumper's all nice and shiny. This trim is polished. All of the glass is really clear on the car. It's got the original marking. I don't know if it's a reproduction window, but it's crystal clear. All real nice. Those are reproduction Rally 1 wheels because I believe they're wider than the original one would have been. They're 14-inch, but they're probably 7-inch wide. And those are BF Goodrich radial redline tires. There are some pimples on this chrome frame right here, little tiny pimples. Let's open it up. All right, let's see how trunk compartment looks. Underneath is painted very nicely. Jam is painted really nice as well. It has the original spot welds, original part number, looking really good. Weather strip was replaced. So inside is all clean metal, spatter painted real nicely. Comes with a car cover, mat, comes with a spare jack assembly I can see underneath there. So yeah, clean and complete trunk compartment. Go to volocars.com to see our whole inventory and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see some great car videos. And hit the bell icon so you're notified. So the jams are real nice. Weather strips are replaced. It's complete reproduction interior. The door panels, the armrest base was all replaced. The black metal trim is painted very nicely. Very nice interior. all fits and looks so nice. The dash pad, the whole instrument bezel is shiny chrome. The wood grain is not peeling off. We got front and rear speaker. We got power antenna. It has the complete rally gauges, including the tachometer and heater controls. All this looks great. It's an AM radio. There's an FM converter down here. And then I know it has factory gauges. Some people like the modern ones, more reliable, so it has those as well. This is all real nice. You got the passenger grab bar there. Here's the owner's manual, new glove box liner. Kick panel's real nice. Carpets fit real nicely. Got the reproduction, or these might be original mats. There's just a little patina. Pontiac mats. Really nice center console. Again, the wood grain's not peeling at all. Has a Hurst shifter with the optional knob. I really like that. The seats feel great. Hear that? It's like a drum. Tight as can be, completely rebuilt seats. And I gotta get the button pushed. Or not. Seems like the button is stuck. There we go. Back seat's in excellent shape. You got a full set of original seat belts, side panels, armrest, all that's been redone. There's a new mesh tray back there. The sail panels aren't wrinkled. The headliner's not wrinkled. All looks fresh. Working dome light. Nice matching visors. The mirror is probably replaced. It has this beautiful deluxe steering wheel, reproduction wheel. It just sparkles. It looks fresh. Looks really nice. When you're sitting behind the wheel of this car, shifting those gears, you're going to be really happy. You're going to like it. So they didn't have matching VIN numbers in '67, but what they did have was a unit number, which is stamped on the front of this engine, and it just so happens to match the Pontiac paperwork that they kept on record. So we can verify this is the motor that belongs to this car, and it is the optional HO. It's a 400, making 360 horsepower, all restored to stock condition. These lines are stock. Has the right date on the intake, the right paint, the right choke, the right carburetor. The HO came with an open element air cleaner. Has proper distributor back there. Just seeing if they're reproduction wires. I don't think so. They're not. Does have the right 670 heads. Also has the HO exhaust manifolds are a little different. And you can just see the whole firewall. All this is nice and clean. You got the dirt shields there. Everything up front, all nice, clean, tidy, proper, just the way it should be. Nothing, no serpentine belt, nothing like that. We do have power steering. We got a disconnect on the battery for when you park it. The washer bottle's hooked up. We also have power brakes, cadmium plated booster. Everything's just nice, clean, tidy. Original 400 HO motor. Hood insulation. Michael gets the fun job of showing you how it performs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, gorgeous GTO here. I'm really digging this one. Numbers matching, 400 underneath the hood. This is the HO motor, so high output, rated at 360 horsepower. We also got the 4-speed manual transmission, so always blast to throw around. This thing is just shifting like butter. The clutch feels great. Shifter itself feels fantastic. The suspension's all redone. It's just eating up these bumps in the road like absolutely no effort at all. Great great running car. It does have the ride and handling package on here, as well as a bunch of other things from the factory. So yeah, we only had about a $1,700 bill between detail and repairs on this one, so it came to us really dialed in. And yeah, well, let's see what she's got. We'll go easy on her. All right, just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with no trouble at all. I was barely in the throttle. Totally digging this one. Great runner. Sounds nice and tight. Goes down the road straight. It just got a great nostalgic feel to it. The undercarriage, of course, everything's done on. Go ahead and check out the pictures on our website. It's very impressive, looks very fresh. And other than that, yeah, come out, test drive this one if you'd like to. You can spend as much time with it as you like. We'll put it up on the shop and on a rack for you and everything. And also check out all the details on volocars.com.
So this car was restored about 15 years ago, and it was supposedly in the Floyd Garrett Muscle Car Museum, stored there for a number of years. So the restoration's a few years old, but it still is in excellent condition. The steering and suspension looks like that was redone at the time of restoration. It does have the ride and handling package. It does have a real nice exhaust system with a little crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. Brake system was redone and has optional disc brakes up front. I believe that's the first year it was even available, was 67, which it does have. So everything under there looks clean and proper. The floors look real nice and smooth, and all the chassis components all painted black. You look up at the motor, real nice clean Pontiac blue, nice clean factory type starter. Earlier I said number matching. They don't have VIN number matching in 67, but the transmission is dated properly. It is a 1967 Muncie Trans, so it is correct. Now the rear end has the two letters YH stamped on it, and that is right on the Pontiac paperwork, YH. It came with a 355 safety track, they called it, which is the posi. So this is a number match car. The colors are numbers match. It came like you see it. Go to volocars.com if you want a really unique, exceptional GTO. Salesman will help answer your questions like how you're going to get your GTO delivered to your home. And if you need help with financing, they can do that too. Thanks for watching.